In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP SmartTank 6001 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but into Google, just search for HP SmartTank 6001 support, and you want to search for that. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP SmartTank 6001 all in one. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to go underneath the support category that says software and drivers and select that from the list. Scrolling down again, and you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that and give it a moment to download. And once it's done, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. Give it a moment here. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just pursue with the on-screen wizard that you see, configured if you're using a wired or wireless connection for your device, and that's all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.